I see you open a PDF file on web browser.
Yes. Yeah. It's automatic. Okay.
Yes.
So whenever I open some file using PDF, it goes here. Okay. So can we start now, Mr. Thomas?
Yes.
All right. Okay, here we go.
Okay. Interview with Toby.
Okay, so it's all about try to read the title first. Active visibility and mitigation of OT security. Okay. I really had a lot of research about this one. And I don't know if it is appropriate to your job. Okay, so here we go. You did not open your camera, right? Mr. Thomas, are you still there?
Yes, I see them.
Okay, so it's about active visibility and mitigation of OT security. Can you say it?
Yes. I can see we talking about the interview activity visibility and mitigation of OT security. An interview with Toby Wilson,
All right.
Senior Director of
Product Bayshore.
by Su Network.
Yes, it's a Bayshore network.
Yeah,
Okay.
his company.
Yes.
He is Senior Director.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so I had a research about Bayshore company. Do you know that company?
Sorry, I don't
Do you,
need.
do you know Bayshore company? It's a provider of cyber protection.
Yes, I know something about this company.
Yes, all right.
The protection of industrial control system ICS infrastructure.
All right. Yes. Okay. So now we're going to read something about this company. So the interview about this one, there are some questions here. Okay.
Yeah.
We can also understand and maybe it can help you.
Yes. I see
For
that
work.
I see infrastructure involved direct. Is this company direct involved infrastructure involved direct interaction with cell phone operation technology, OT network, system and software.
And software. Yes.
Software. Yes. It is different.
Different.
Yes, it is different than one thing.
Finds.
Which is one file. Yes, one file.
Finds.
Fin.
Finds.
Piece. Yes. It is different than one piece. With traditional IT, if only because the underlying standard. Underlying
Standards.
Underlying standards, protocols,
Norms. Yes.
norms, and technical methods.
Okay.
Quite
Different.
Yeah, quite different.
Quiet.
Quite.
Uh,
Sorry, it's quite,
yes.
quite, quite different. Not only for with IT, but across the
spectrum. across the spectrum of OT systems.
Oh, yes, not but across the spectrum of OT system,
Yes.
including factory, plant, uh, va very
Vehicles.
vehicles,
Yes.
processing center, and the like.
Yes, and the like. Okay, so let's
Yes,
explain this one first, okay? So
yes,
protection in industrial control system, or we call it as ICS, industrial control system. So as it says here, okay, so do you know that Bayshore Networks is a kind of a provider of cyber protection for industrial control systems, industrial applications, and network machine workers? Okay, so this is different. So how about in your company, Mr. Thomas? Do you also have this kind of system?
uh, you, I know.
Yes. Because it's a system that's secure. This one.
Um, is the secure the system?
That secure someone's data,
Yes.
right?
Yes, it's the system that secure some many data, many
Yes.
data. Yes, many data,
Yes.
many data from IT, from
Hmm.
OT. Yes, from
All
network
right.
system and software, and
Yes.
across the spectrum of OT system, including factory, plant, vertical processing center, and and many things. Yes, this
Yes.
is the industrial control system
Yeah. Right.
involve many things.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's correct. All right. Okay. So how about this one?
Yes, that's one and one of the earliest one of the earliest technology company.
All
Yes,
right. Yes.
one of the earliest technology company
To
to
begin,
to begin developing cyber security solution for
or
ACS,
ICS.
yeah, ICS, and OT infrastructure is based on network.
Sure. Yes.
Oh,
It's a Bayshore network. So Bayshore Networks is a kind of company that really helps, okay,
yeah,
your company to secure everything. Okay.
yes, to secure everything. And the teacher, I have a request.
What's
Yeah,
that?
after I am talking about this, could you help me speak again for all of this example, the important of industry control system infrastructures, processing center and the like, because I want to talk and I want to listen.
Okay.
Yes. Um, because I have talked with you before that I can read, but the listen is not good.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
I
So
understand.
yes. So after I think I present with you, I talk with you about this interview. If you can read or you can speak or talk again, and I want to try. I try to listen to understand.
Okay. All
Yes,
right. That's no
and
problem.
yes, and now we continue.
Yes, okay.
Yes, and the company have developed.
The
You
company
see, the
develop and
yes, the company have developed and
clients.
appliance
Okay.
have yes appliance that reside in the OT network and collect data for the cyber security analyst and
Analysis.
analysis. Yes,
Yes.
for cyber security analysis and active risk mitigation.
Mitigation.
Mitigation. Yes, we recently collected with totally by where zone of Boisu to learn more about OT visibility and active mitigation from cyber threat.
Okay. All
Yes,
right.
it's very difficult to speak.
Yeah. Do you know the meaning of mitigation?
Mitigation, yes, it is mitigation. It is the transfer or the accept the risk. Uh,
Okay.
yes, when we miss a risk on system, we can try to mitigation risk.
Yes. You have it is something like you minimize degree of any loss or harm. Am I correct?
Yes, you try to minimize.
Yes, minimize.
Yes,
Okay. So come on, let's proceed.
yes.
Okay, so there are some questions here.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
And yeah. Some question do you still have to convince? Oh,
What is that?
I don't see anything. Okay, okay. Do you still have to convince OT company that they need to focus on cyber security?
Okay. Let me ask you again. When you are asking some question, okay, so you have to have an intonation just like this. Do you still have to convince OT companies that they need to focus on cyber security? Just like that. Okay.
Sorry.
So you have to pronounce it at the end of the question. You have to pronounce it with intonation. Okay.
Yes.
Just what I've said. Do you still have to convince OT companies that they need to focus on cyber security? Just like that.
Yes.
Okay. So that they can understand you that you are asking. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
I will try to understand.
Mm-hmm.
But most operation technology oriented company now recognize that they need to pay close attention to cyber security issue. But
Yes.
the challenge, yeah, but the challenge is they are not
Challenge.
challenge. Yes, is they are not sure exactly where to start.
Mm-hmm. Yes. All right. Okay.
And
The issues.
they are
They're
being
bombarded.
bombarded. I don't know what is bombarded.
Bombarded.
Yes. Can you back to Google Translate? Help me.
Okay. This one. Bombarded is meaning you are confused of something.
Could be something.
I don't know in Vietnamese.
Oh, bombard.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you know that?
Yeah. Yes. But only one word. Bombard by complaint. Yes. Oh.
Let me see in other terms, okay?
Yes. They are being bombarded by complaint product message. Oh, yes. Yes. By complaint product message
Complicated.
without.
Complicated.
Oh, communicated by complicated product message without a lot of clear thought,
Clear thought.
clear talk
Thought.
leadership on best
Or
practice.
best practices.
Best practice.
Okay, so in here, Mr. Thomas, okay, so it says that complicated product messages. Complicated means, do you know what's the meaning of complicated? It cannot easily understand. Okay? Meaning complicated. It's difficult to understand. Okay? So without a clear
Yes.
thought or idea. Okay?
Yeah.
Leadership on
Yes.
practices. That's it.
Yes.
All
And
right.
I see. I understand. Clear.
Yes.
Yes. Clear to leadership on best practice. Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So how about the next one?
And we adjusted our focus towards score set of critical security activities which should be monitored in every OT environment.
Okay. Along the
Along with a recommendation on what mitigation step can be performed without disrupting operation or safely.
yes. Okay. That's a interesting part. Do you understand that? It's a very interesting part.
Yes, interesting point.
Yes,
I
they
know
are.
that.
Yes, they are going to use mitigation steps without disrupting, meaning without having some concerns in operations or safety, okay, of the company, right? Okay. So do you have that kind of system in your company, Mr. Thomas? Do you?
If I completely,
Mm-hmm. How do you have safety data?
no, we using many methods.
Oh, I see. Yes.
Yes. Uh, if in my company, yeah, in my company, we protect data by many methods. Example, we put data on cloud.
Oh, okay.
Yes, on the cloud by uh, Microsoft Cloud. Yes, we using
All
Microsoft
right.
Cloud. Yes,
Yes.
and in my company or in my PC or in my laptop, we
Mm-hmm.
using endpoint protection.
Okay.
Yes, laptop endpoint protection, and in the network and in the software, we using the firewall to protect data.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, so we have protect the laptop or endpoint and the network on the cloud and
Yes.
across many systems.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. You have a
So
nice explanation. I understand it.
thank you.
Yes. Just you just need to pronounce the words correctly, okay? But you are going there. It's a bit of you don't need to rush the words, okay? You don't need to speak it fast. Okay? Just speak it to explain it well. All right? Okay, so maybe we can move now here to the next one,
Yes.
Mr. Thomas. So let me read it to you first, okay? So where should an OT security professional focus their efforts?
Oh,
Can you say it again?
yes. I listen. You talk about. I don't see on the monitor. I listen. I only listen.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I you have said that you you talk about the where should professional security focus
Yes.
on OT.
Yes, an OT security.
Yes. Okay. It is a question. Okay.
Yes, it's a question.
Ah. Yes. Okay. I can listen something.
Mhm. Okay, so let me read it to you the answer of this one, okay?
Yes. And they need to understand not only what's out there on their network,
Mm-hmm.
but but also what they can do
Yes.
safely and constructive,
Constructively.
constructively, yeah, to improve their OT security within the safety and maintenance parameter that production environment demand.
Okay. Improvements.
Improvement in configuration or network segmentation or policy can open be done without requiring downtime on the floor,
Mm-hmm.
and BISU is only ICS security tool which can provide real-time mitigation to protect OT device at the payload level. This allow safer operation with
With
needs
less.
with less downtime on while improves our security posture.
Yes, okay. All right. Do you know that? Do you understand that?
Oh, I understand, but the overall, but not detail.
Okay. So let's
Yes,
try to repeat it sentence by sentence, okay?
yes,
Okay. I'm sorry about my light. It's not working. Okay, so they need to understand not only what's out there, okay? So on their networks, so the word out there, for the word out is outside, okay? Maybe it's outside the data, okay? So outside the networks, okay? But also they can do safely and constructively. Okay, so here, wait for a while. It is important, it is important to have safer strategy.
Chattery. Yes,
Yes, when you are going to protect some system, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. We
You tried something like that because there is always a risk in everything you do whenever you protect the data or the system, right? Okay. So at this point, to improve their OT security within the safety maintenance parameters that production environments demand. Okay. So there is always a demand coming from outside. Okay, so you need to improve in configuration or network segmentation, or policy can often be done without requiring a downtime on the floor. Okay, I don't know if this is correct, but what is the meaning of downtime in IT words with you? Do you know that?
yes, it is very important keyword in IT.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes.
You can uh, you can think or you can improve. Uh, I don't know what is tưởng tượng in Vietnamese. We dream.
Oh.
Maybe we can talk in dream. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
example, when we talk about the downtime.
All right.
Example when we using the Zoom.
Yes.
Yes, we using the Zoom for learning. Yes, for meeting.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
and we want the Zoom system is only way available for us
Mm-hmm.
for meeting,
Yes.
for talking, or for learning. But if the Zoom system down,
Ah, okay. I
yes,
understand.
down
Just like the
and
internet.
yes, and as the time to recover system is very important.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
And
I understand.
yes, and in the IT, one of the keyword is downtime and uptime. And
Mm-hmm.
policy in this segment talk about the policy can open without requirement downtime. It's very important because
Okay.
yes, it's not
It's like some downtime means out of action, right? Am I correct?
yes,
Sometimes
yes,
downtime also it's a keyword that used by
yes.
the internet
This doc,
provider.
yes,
Okay, because sometimes I heard something about when I call them. Okay,
yeah,
always sometimes they said that the internet was in a downtime moment. Okay.
yes, exactly.
Okay. So in IT words also you also use that whenever someone is out of action. So
Yes,
it is very important.
yes. In IT system, some keyword is very important. It's
Mm-hmm.
downtime. It's a real time. You know, real
Yeah.
time.
Yes,
Yes,
yes. I heard that already.
yes. Oh, in this segment, I see as security tool we can provide real time mitigation. It's very good. Real time mitigation.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
This one.
yes. It's real time
Okay.
mitigation. It's
Oh.
no many company can provide that.
Oh, yeah.
No many company can provide that. Okay, and this no safe operation with less downtime. Oh, less downtime. Why
That's
improve?
good.
Yes, it's very good.
And all while improving, okay,
Yeah, and all while
security
improving
posture.
posture.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think Bayshore Company or Bayshore Network is one of the company that provides a good service.
Yes, it's own up company in this report is famous is famous company.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, own up company in this report
Mm-hmm.
because this company operates in euro.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Oh, I see.
yes, in euro, and the company implement this report have interview with many people, and they select this company to report overall on the world.
Yes, that's why it's very useful for us.
Yes, it's very useful.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Yes.
so let's go to the next one.
Oh, it's very difficult. Tell us how the solution work. Oh, it's very
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
difficult.
Tell us how your solution works. If it is someone ask you like that, what will be your answer? Tell us how your solution works and how it can be used for visibility and mitigation.
Oh, it's very difficult to explain with the people about the solution work and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
how it can using for visibility and mitigation. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
yes,
Oh,
yes,
there's a
and
Bayesian solution.
yeah, and basic solution
You can use that.
include yes, basic solution includes a widespread data collection device
Yeah.
which can sit on a network tab or span pod or can be instant in night to provide active
Active mitigation function.
mitigation function. It analyzes a range of ICS network protocols down to the payload level and catalog on the activity is see based on both
Mm-hmm.
our recommendation recommended
Critical.
recommended critical OT security activity filter and any customer defined policy.
Mm-hmm.
On such information roll up to a
Centralized management.
centralized management console where you see a record of the access and
OT network.
OT network activity, and most importantly, recommendation about policy improvement and priority which
Decisions.
decision which you need to review.
Okay.
Yes, with while many vendor offer solid visibility tools by through compilation
Combination.
compilation of visibility along with safe and smart real-time mitigation is required in the
Unique.
industry.
Unique.
Unique, 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 unique,
Yes, unique.
unique in the industry and work for both of the most insightful end user and on behalf of large service providers who are working to deliver against SLR SLA for their global customers.
All right. Okay. All right. So in this one, I got some research about the network top or span port. You know this one? Oh, Bayesian solutions includes a wide speed data collection. That's very good. Which can sit on a network tap or span port. Okay? So, network tap is a test access point, right? Tap means test access point. Am I correct? Hello?
Yes, I
Yes.
don't hear. Yes, maybe the connection is lost. I don't hear.
Okay, I'm sorry. I said the network tap. Tap means test access point, right?
No, no, not the same as a point. It's the word in IT. Network
Oh.
tap is the yes is a device uh, for the maybe for the network operation, not
Mm-hmm.
the access point.
Okay. So how about do you know the word port mirroring? Wait for a while. Let me show to you.
Point mirroring.
Yes, a
What do you say?
port mirroring. This one. Where's the
Yes, spot mirroring.
Yes, do
Yes,
you know that?
spot mir. Yes, spot mirroring. I know that. If you want to copy data from a network device
Mm-hmm.
or on the internet, you can using your spot mirroring to copy traffic.
Yes.
Yes.
This one.
Oh, you search on the Google.
Yes, of course. So that I can understand talking.
Oh, very good. Yes,
Yeah.
you English teacher and IT professional.
No, you will be the one to help me to understand it also because not all I am not familiar with the other terms. That's why I'm asking you.
Yes, you can see the picture. I am a teacher in Vietnam.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, in IT. I work for a global company and I am a teacher for university.
Oh, really?
Yes, and I teaching
Good.
about the switch technology, router switch technology, and the
Mm-hmm.
network tab, and the security device you can see on this picture.
Oh, just like this.
Oh, yes,
Okay,
and
that's
I am
good.
teaching and working with this device about the
Yeah,
20
you are.
years.
I think you are a very
15,
busy
15,
person.
15 years.
You are a very busy person.
Yes, you can see network tab make 100 full duplicate copy of network traffic without alerting the data.
Yes, okay. It makes one. Is it true? 100% full duplex copy?
Yes, it's make 100%.
Oh, designed port 10M. What do you mean by 10M?
Sorry?
This one, designed to support 10M, 100M.
Yes, it's a speed up. Uh, it is a talk say about the speed of speed
Uh,
support, speed
okay.
speed part.
All right. Okay. So that is the one maybe using by the Bayeshore networks. Very interesting.
Oh, interesting, but it's difficult for
Yeah.
understand
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah, yeah.
deploy.
And this
Okay.
one, let me show to you something about span.
Ah,
I'm talking
yeah, yes. You
mirroring.
you search on the Google. and you copy on this word.
Yeah. So that I will not forget the word.
Very good. But do you understand all of this?
A little bit.
A little.
Yeah. I cannot fully explain it to you, but I can just show you some
Yes.
research about this one if it is okay.
Yes.
So just like that. Okay. So it's your work is really very difficult. Let me share. Can you still see the our book or our lesson?
Sorry. What is I?
Okay. Can you still see the lesson?
Yes, I can see this the report or PDF file. I can see.
Yeah. Okay. So this is that is my research is one of it's only additional to our lesson. Okay.
Sorry.
I mean um
What is I?
the research that I've shown to you a while ago is just additional, meaning it's just a research for you to, for me to present to you, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so, all right. Where are we? So that is the network top or span port, okay?
Yeah. Yes.
So
So
it analyzes a range of ICS network protocols down to the payload level and categories all activity. It sees based on both our own recommended critical OT security activity filters and any customer defined policies. Oh, it's very difficult. Yeah. So all such informations roll up to a centralized management console where you see a record of your assets, okay, and OT network activity, and most importantly, recommendations about policy improvements and priority decisions which you need to review, okay. So maybe Bayshore can is one of really the it's one of the company that really has a safe strategy, okay, and
yes.
solution about having a visibility and mitigation.
Yes.
Yes. So how about in your company, Mr. Thomas?
What's about my company?
Yes, if I will be the one to ask you, uh, what is your solution? Okay, to protect everything, and also
Um,
to work it.
in my company is global cyber security, and
Uh-huh.
yes, and we provide many solutions for our customer.
All right, a different solutions.
Yes, many different. It is the one of solution, and
Mm-hmm.
we provide many solution, and
Okay.
maybe I will demo with, or you can I will demo, or you can access my website, my company website.
Really?
Yes, you can access.
Oh.
Oh, I see that it is 11 p.m. 11 p.m. In your
Yeah,
country.
yeah. It's already 11 p.m.
Oh,
I did not
I think it's
check the time.
very light. Yes. Okay. Maybe
Yeah.
we will stop here because it's
Yes.
very light. Okay.
Yes.
So
Maybe we can yeah, this topic is very interesting but really difficult also. There are a lot of words that we need to
yeah.
review first, okay?
Yes.
So by the way, for our next lesson, Mr. Thomas, I will be giving you some vocabulary words to
Yes.
read first, okay, before we
Yes.
go to this topic, okay?
Yes.
So that you can pronounce, just for example, in a day, I will give you 10 words to pronounce it correctly, okay? So that you can easily explain it to your colleagues.
Yes, okay. I think with
Yes.
vocabulary word is good. Is good idea to understand or to speak and explain.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay. So, and prepare for something because I will give you also some questions.
Yes.
So that let me see if you can explain it well. Okay?
Yeah.
For our
Okay.
next lesson. All right?
Yes. Okay. If
Okay.
yes. If you need me prepare prepare anything, please put or write over with the hope. Yes. Before we
Oh,
start. Yes. Hope before we start lesson.
okay.
Yes. Um, if you want me to prepare, I will try to prepare. Yeah.
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 It's okay.
Okay.
You can do that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
All
you.
right. Okay. So that's all for tonight, Mr. Thomas.
Okay. Good night.
Yes. Have a good night to you. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye.